All right, now we got our close-ups, and we wanted to make sure you guys saw, like it's more than just me in here in the studio. The difference between the medial and the lateral side. So the lateral has the blue swoosh, and the medial has the yellow swoosh. But what I wanted to move up and show you is how soft that is as far as the leather is concerned. Now, when you push like a Jordan 1 low or a Jordan 1 mid, you don't get those wrinkles, man. This feels more like a true leather to me. It feels more sturdy. But the outsole has this gray, and what I wanted you to see, because this looks white right here, where it's more polished. You see how the finish here is white? That is a gray kind of color. It's a little bit lighter than the gray that's here on the side, but man, that's nice looking. You know what I'm saying? And there goes that embroidery at the heel. And once again, you got that medial side. The small cues that let you know it's 75th anniversary. Obviously, 75th anniversary, NBA right there on the tongue for you. Doesn't say anything on the insole. It's just Nike Air. But the Dubray also has that diamond and an embroidered swoosh at the toe box. Or at the vamp right here at the front. So that's it. Let's wrap it up. Yo, wrap it up. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. It's a great looking shoe. Peace.